Anniversary weekend. And look what they got me. They got little sparkles on them. So cute. Oh yeah, we got a new car, guys. So when I post it, y'all will see it. To be out. Anniversary weekend. I thought I shaved this off and it's not shaved, so I might have to do that. I got t-shirt napkins in the back. I'm gonna have to do that when I get back. Oh my god. Well, not when I get back, but when I get to the hotel. You see that? I thought I shaved it off. Anyway, here's the kids. I'm still a little bit under the weather. That's why y'all ain't getting these videos. I'm a little sick. Everybody was sick at the same time, actually. But yeah, see y'all when we get to Houston. Come on, Zane. You can eat on the outside here. How much is that one? Oh, so we have to pay for all of us. Do they have food? There's a burger bar right here. It has food? He over there like, hi, he looking on the boat. I'm trying to see all the restaurants first. You wanna go? It has food? They all got food. This one used to have a little too fancy for the kids, maybe. Dang. Sure, you want a burger though? I don't think I like right with the kids. If I was with myself, I probably would. Yeah. This is a hotel. That's a hotel up there. What's up? Oh, there go more parking. This is the parking I think everybody's talking about. So we decided to park over here, and it's only 2 hours. But this is where all the parking at look like. But we're in Houston. I just feel like it would have been a tighter thing to get out of. Yeah, but we only have 2 hours. But yeah, we're going to the Houston Zoo. Zane, put your feet up. We're going to the Houston Zoo. Really excited. Somebody bought a whole loaf of bread. Anyway, we're here at the Houston Zoo. Too fast. This way. Look at all these people. We gotta go to the yeah, we gotta go to the bathroom. I thought Zane went to pee before he left, but he has to pee. Should be around here somewhere. It's our anniversary. Yeah, you see it in front of you? Right here. Look at the baby one. So I guess it's a cow. It's a male. You want to ride the Is there supposed to be gorillas? There's no gorillas. Get up, Zena. Oh wait, there's one on the floor. It's pigs. The warhawks. It's like 3 little piggies. Dad, stay with us. Look at the gorillas. Take your mouth off of it, Zena.
So that one over there, she's sticking her lip out. It's like she's pouting, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Her name's Angel.
Okay, Angel.
That's Mike, Polly, Binty, and Angel.
You heard that, Zena? Wow. Yeah. You're probably pretty old.
1991 I know for him, but I don't remember.
Oh, they're all right. You ready? Alright, thank you.
Yeah, have fun.
Say bye, Angel. Bye, Angel. Bye-bye. Where her baby at? Hey, hold the cart. Look at the water, Zane. You love water. Love. This is what it. They're like, throw something in here. Come on, Zay. Woo. Look, Zena's gone. That's so cool.
Yeah. Wait, under it.
Yeah. We inside. Yeah, you see the turtle? It's the same one who said you want to go to the car. Come on, Zane, let's go. That is really cool. What are these? Hedgehog? I don't know. These not hedgehog. You ready? I don't know anymore. You got a bushy tail. Alright, we're leaving the zoo. Oh, zoo, look, people are still coming in. This way. Look at all those people still coming in. Oh, look at the walkway over there. That's nice. Yeah, 2 hours. Oh my God. Is Zane ready to go? Let me see. Fat crabs. I just decided to eat for the kids. It's me. We're at Fat Crabs. Okay. Back up, Zane. Back up, Zane. Back up. Back up. Back up. Oh, yeah. They would not let you hold it.
Thank you.
I'm trying to see. Thank you. Ooh, Ty, they got beer. We should get a beer. Oh no, they're steamed oysters. I'm sorry.
It's okay.
Thank you.
Yes, there.
I'm excited to try it for the first time. Zena, you want to try it?
Okay.
Thank you.
Yes, there.
I'm excited to try it for the first time.
It's
Zena, you want to try it?
limited. Oh.
Yes, Danny, you can have that. This is good. Alright, you too close. Yeah. Oh, this is you. It's so big. You like it?
Everybody windows up? Neutral. That's neutral. That's reverse. We in the car line.
We at the car.
Look at this silver baby. Yeah. So, we at the car wash. Why we act like this so much? Because we ain't never been able to do it. Yeah, we ain't all been doing it before. Because we had a truck. Look at all the bubbles. Whoa. Whoa. This is nice. It's a little bit. Oh, I'm gonna clean this up.